Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, January 29th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, grains are trading a little better across the board. Corn is 1 to 2 cents better, soybeans 6 to 7 better, and wheat steady, maybe a penny better. Right now, the markets are all kind of flat because there's not much in terms of news. We're focusing on the South American weather for the most part, and typically this time of year, we can see delays in the harvest because of the weather. We can see problems with transporting the grain from the fields to the ports because logistically, it's very difficult to navigate your way around South America when places are flooded and the weather becomes a little too extreme. And also this time of year, you should expect to hear about the dock workers going on strike, looking for more money. This happens every year around this time. So sooner or later, that's going to become a news story. It may be a little supportive. A bigger problem, I think, is just that we have very tight supplies here in the U.S. So we kind of hope to see a little shift in demand down there at the pace we're going with soybeans. We're about 71 or 72% of what the USDA projected for the entire marketing year, and we're only a quarter of the way through it. So we welcome a little bit of a shift. Chinese demand has been very strong for North American soybeans, and it doesn't look like that's going to change anytime soon. So again, you pull up a daily chart, you look at our markets, and things are mostly flat. Again, old crop supply is very, very tight. We're hearing talk as much as 99 million acres getting planted in the spring with corn. That's a big crop, but it doesn't mean we're going to get those yields in the end. It looks like we're still in a drought here. Things haven't changed much. We got a lot of rain here in Chicago, and we have 60-degree temperatures. This is the warmest for this day in like 99 years. So my advice would be that you err on the side of caution. The markets look supportive. I think that for the most part, prices are likely to move higher going forward, especially in terms of old crop. We don't know how weather's going to cooperate. So there's a lot of unknowns here. The one thing we know for sure, we have a tight supply. So one thing we're starting to focus on a little bit more now here in North America is the winter wheat crop condition. Every week on Monday afternoon, we'll get an update on that crop's condition. And yesterday, the report showed that that crop's condition continues to deteriorate. So Kansas, our biggest state for winter wheat, good to excellent rating, only 20% of the crop. In Nebraska, it's as low as 8%. Up north, it's even worse. So keep an eye on that. Again, our prices are now at a more competitive level. We're starting to see the demand side pick up a little bit. We're not real uncomfortable with the current supply, but as demand picks up, it would probably become necessary, for prices to start to move higher. So, look, there's much more to talk about here. I'd love to discuss strategies with you, and please feel free, give me a call. It's 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.